Hey guys, good morning. So I ordered some brushes on AliExpress and it came in yesterday. I don't know if it's not even looking like what I ordered. I don't know. I have to go back to check because the sticks of the brushes looks different from what I ordered, but I'll check. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the things I got, and I'll put the actual picture on the screen. You guys let me judge whether it's the same thing. This is AliExpress. Anyway, let me show you guys what things that I got. There's no light right now, you guys. No light as always. Let me just show you guys. So I got the set of, I think it's a set of how many brushes? I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 15 brushes. And these are the brushes. I want to change my makeup brushes, so I decided to try these ones out. I just hope that it's what it was. So far it looks really soft. It looks like it's really soft. These brushes actually look so good. Actually looks like what I ordered. So because I didn't remove this thing here, I wasn't seeing it. But yeah, I really love the brushes. I'm going to leave a link to this this particular brush that I got on AliExpress on my description box in case you're interested in getting them. But it's really nice and so soft, like super soft. I really like this one. I wanted something stiff like this too for blending. I really love the softness of the brush. It's so soft, like look at how soft it is. So soft. But yeah, that's that. And I also got some sponges. It's 4 sponges in here. Really soft. Until I wet it, then I'll see how soft they really are. But I like the fact that they have different shapes. And then I got some lashes. You guys, I always buy AliExpress lashes. They are not bad. This one is a pack of 10, and there are different styles of lashes in there. But this one, on the other hand, this second one, I didn't know they were going to be this long. It doesn't look so long on video now. I guess that's how I was deceived. It is super duper long. I don't know if I'm able to use it. Another thing I noticed with them is that it's really light, which I don't think will be bad anyway, but it's so long. I don't know if I'll be able to use it. But I'll try and see what I look like when I use this wings on my eyes. So I think in this eyelash pack they added these to the eyelashes. So yeah, that is it. Today I'm trying to see if I can work on these 2 dresses, and I'm rounding up on some of these ones, and the one I showed you guys previously, that was yesterday. Yeah, all those clothes over there are done. I'm going to be running up with that one as well. This clothes here I cut it for myself, and it has just been there. I've not even sewn it. It's been over 3 weeks since I cut that dress on myself, but I haven't even had time to sew it. But anyway, yeah, that is it. I'm working on some ready-to-wear orders as well for a client, and I think I've gotten somewhere. We head start with that one, so I'm really excited at the rate at which the work is going. The whole situation of things like in Nigeria right now is really slowing things down, but we gotta run the gen. That's why I've not even been able to make videos a lot, because most of the time there's no light, and secondly there's a whole lot of noise. Even right now I'm sure you can hear the generator noise in the background. There's a whole lot of noise in the background. And also for my tutorials I've been planning to film, I haven't been able to film anything yet because my setup is just off. Right now I have a table, it's really high, so my problem now is having like being able to set up for filming tutorials. Like, it's a whole different kind of setup. I have to film from above, so I need to get a tripod, a different type tripod for that. Yeah, or try to make shift pending when I get that one. But anyway, I have not been able to do tutorials because it's a whole lot of stress. I tried filming a tutorial, was it last week? I tried filming a tutorial, but like it was just frustrating, so I just had to pack up and leave it at that. But I'm going to be getting another table that I'm going to be using in my filming room. I'm going to get that table, and I'll be using that one because that one will be much lower than this one I'm using to work right now.
The next day.
Hey guys, tailor mode. I'm trying to create patterns for my ready to wear line. I'm making several sizes of trouser patterns. Yeah, I'll show you guys. Well, I love this background actually. This is not a bad place to film with my two boys in the background. You guys focus on me, okay? So I'm going to be making some patterns for my ready to wear. Yeah, so I'm making pants pattern. I'm doing from sizes 8 to 20 pattern. But yeah, definitely if I have bigger sizes, I'll just make custom patterns for those bigger sizes. But I'm trying to use like a standard pants pattern for all the ready to wear sizes. I have a size guide I work with. My boys. Look at what? Look at what? Okay guys, excuse me, okay? I'm making a video. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys my pattern when I'm done. I actually filmed a short pattern on the channel. I put out a community post. People were asking me to do like trouser pattern. Yeah, I already have a trouser pattern or a short pants.
Do you see on top of?
No, but now can I finish? I already have a short pants pattern on the channel. The only thing I'll just is do like an updated one for trousers. I'll be building on the one I already have on the channel. Okay, I'm going to be building on that pattern. Yeah, to make a trouser pattern. Maybe I'll do a palazzo pant, a basic pant, and then a pencil pant on the same pattern, just so you see the variations on how to go about.
Drink water.
And how to go about making a pant, a female pant. Okay. So guys, these are my patterns. I only drafted a short length because I'll do the rest of the length on the main fabric, and then I'm going to be. I also ignored the pockets for the pattern, but I'll be doing that on the dress. Why I didn't do it here is because there's different kinds of pockets. So I just did a skeletal pants pattern. So I have my size 8, 10, 12 up until 20, which is the biggest one right here. It's huge. Size 20. So yeah, I'm done with this.
Later.
As always, I'm in my workspace. I'm trying to finish up a dress. Got a tripod yesterday for my tutorials, and I want to unbox it. And then set it up for. I'll probably film a tutorial today. Yeah. So finally, no excuses. I hope it does the job for me. I hope it works, and I don't have to stress again over anything. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys the unboxing. I was already working on this dress. I'm trying to put the cover buttons all around up to the bodice area as well. But let's just set this aside and come back to it. That's the tripod right there. You understand? Okay, I saw this tripod on Chinyere Aban's Instagram stories. So yeah, I asked her for contact, but she didn't have one. But anyway, she told me that she got it on DG, so I went to DG to look for it. In the long run, I have a guy who I buy all these my gadgets from, so I decided to asked him if he had that particular one, and luckily he had it, and same price as what I already saw online on Binge. So I was like, okay, you know what, I'd rather buy from someone I already bought from over and over again. So I went with him. So this is the thing. It really comes well packaged, like nicely packaged. I like the bag. And oh yeah, I got something else that I'm going to be using to connect my phone, because it's a camera tripod, and then this one also is going to be used to like clip my phone to the tripod stand here. But then let's get out the main thing. So I'm going to be using my camera and as well as my phone sometimes to film. You guys know I love filming with my phone because it's just easier for me to just transfer the files and edit. So yeah, this is the inner bag. It comes in very nice, and you know, it looks authentic. Let's see what's inside. Let me get fit. It looks really sturdy. Okay, move back if you need to move back. It'll be okay. Okay, so yeah, this is the reason I got this. Let's see how long the leg is. Wow. Hey, still I have a problem. This tape is too high. Okay, I shall be using it for without that smaller tape. So guys, you guys excuse how scattered everywhere looking, but this is what the tripod looks like. It's quite tall. By the way, my table is I think it's 40 inches high, and this tripod is longer than it still. Yeah, so but the good thing about it is I won't be using this table right here to film. The table I'm going to be using to film is my old dining table, which I'm going to be like reconstructing to fit into my filming room. But yeah, it's going to be just good enough for the height of this my new tripod. I'm so happy. But whatever be the case, if at all I need to use it on this table, I can easily place it on a higher platform and, you know, shorten the legs. But it's all good. I really love how sturdy this thing is, and I need to figure out how all these things work. I don't know what this is used for. I have to figure out what it's for. Yeah, just in case you know what it's for, let me know in the comment section. So yeah, this is it. Okay. So the guy recommended this phone holder for me because he said it's quite sturdy and it's not as you know, as feeble as the other ones. It's not like it's really strong, so he recommended this. I got this for 3K by the way. Oh yeah, and I got this tripod for 25,000 naira from the guy. If you're interested, check comment section, check my description box for the guy's number. But anyway, this is the phone stand. So I'm supposed to attach this here or here, depending on how I want to film. I think this is for landscape, and then this will be for this should be for landscape, and then this should be for portrait. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Okay, so yeah, I think this also goes here. This will go here. So yeah, this is it for when I want to film with my phone. This extends. Yeah, I love it. So this will be for when I want to film portrait for landscape, and then if I want to film portraits, I'm not sure. I think yeah, just screw this here, and then adjust this thingy so that it's flexible and moves to this direction, so I can film portraits in this way. I'm excited. Like finally I've gotten a proper tripod stand. I don't know why it took so long to get it. I think I had what I was using already worked for me, so I didn't see the need to buy it. But right now, this baby right here is going to be my filming body. Okay, all right guys, so I'm going to get back to what I was doing. I'll catch up with you guys later. I just discovered something else. This thing I didn't know what it was meant for. It's actually to bring out this longer part. So definitely this works for my table. Like no matter how high this table, this is my cutting table is. I told you guys already that it was 40 inches low high because I wanted it to a situation where when I'm cutting I don't have to bend my back. That's why I made it that high. I didn't think about any other person when I was making this table. I didn't think about who are shorter than I am. But I just wanted my comfort. That's why I made that table. But I'm going to be making stools that are high enough to take up to get to the table, so that whoever is shorter than the table or is not comfortable for will just sit on the stool to, you know, bring them up. But back to this baby right here. I didn't know that this thing here that I was wondering what it was for exposes an additional length. So if I want my tripod to go longer, all I have to do is twist it. I'm just going to sit back and, you know, discover new things about this baby right here. So it works conveniently from filming on this table, no matter how high my table is. Like, look at that, still going up. Okay, so this is the height. With my phone holder, this tripod stand is taller than I am. So this is me and my baby. Like, see, it's taller than I am right now with this phone stand. So I can film all my tutorials in peace. Yeah, so I'm really excited. I'm really excited. Like, this will make my life so much easier filming tutorials. I don't know how, like, every time I filmed, that's why I find it so difficult to film tutorials, because to set up alone is like a hassle, like a whole hassle. You guys, there's light today, thankfully. So anyway, this is the tripod. I'm still going to play around with this to see if there's any other thing I can do with it, and I'll let you guys know if there's any other thing I can do with this baby. I think there should be more. I'll find out. I'll probably watch some videos on YouTube to find out all that this tripod can do. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys on this vlog.